Good afternoon from the Campus Weather Service. I'm student meteorologist Michael Page here with an update now on Hurricane Irene, a real threat for the eastern seaboard. Everyone from North Carolina to New England watching this system. Right now it is still 330 miles south-southwest of Cape Hatteras. It's still pretty far away, but we've been talking about it for a long time because there's so many people in its path. Winds right now have decreased to about 105 miles per hour. That's good news. No reason to let your guard down though. Pressure also rising slightly, 946 now, and the storm is moving towards the north at 14 miles per hour. So it's moving around an area of high pressure located over the Atlantic, and that's what's propelling it towards the east coast. Now here it is on radar. Notice the spin starting to develop and show up now just off the coast of Florida, moving northward towards North Carolina. So here are the Outer Banks, first in line to be impacted directly by Irene as we look into the day tomorrow on Saturday. Then from there, it actually will become a problem for parts of Pennsylvania. So here she is now, spinning off of Florida, moving towards North Carolina. Now the question is, first of all, does she actually make landfall in North Carolina and go inland, or does she just skirt the coast and stay offshore? If she were to stay more inland and actually make a landfall, that would be better news for the Northeast. Would suck a little bit more energy out of the storm. If she stays just offshore, it's about a 50-mile difference. It would mean stronger winds and more impact for the Northeast. So it's a very small difference, but big difference in terms of what we'll see for sensible weather. Then from there, the storm begins to pull northward. Again, does it stay just inland or does it stay just offshore? It will make a difference in terms of the winds we see. Regardless, very heavy rainfall will be moving through eastern Pennsylvania this weekend, and they've already seen so much rain in that part of the state. So there's going to be some real flooding concerns anywhere from Allentown down through Philadelphia, back through parts of Harrisburg. Really, the eastern third of Pennsylvania is what we're most concerned about. Here in central Pennsylvania, just some showers, generally speaking. Everyone, though, noting the clouds and showers on Saturday. Then Irene moves up on Sunday. There's that heavy rainfall right around Philadelphia, up through Allentown, the Lehigh Valley, over into New Jersey. Again, waterlogged areas already, so serious flooding threat there with about 3 to 6 inches at least. Also, there'll be some tropical storm force wind gusts at times. That will only add to the problems with trees and power lines coming down. Then, of course, our friends in New England will also be watching Irene. Whether or not she stays inland or just offshore, that will make a difference in terms of how strong the storm is when it gets up to the north. That is the latest on Irene right now. We'll have more updates as necessary here from the Campus Weather Service.